Hey guys, Bridget here, and today I just got back from Walmart! It's full over. Okay, so I bought a few things, and I'm gonna review them. But don't blame me if I have to cut the camera and open them. Oh, here they are. I fell over. Okay, so I got, move her out of the way. Okay, I got this. This is the best. And I'm going to name this after my friend Josh. Because we like wolves. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, and I have two friends named Josh, so yeah. Let me hold the camera with my elbows. Can I do that? Can I do it? Can I hold it with my elbows? I can. Hallelujah. Well, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna open the first thing. This thing. Hold on. So I am back, and I got something cute. Little tiger. Look at his little tail. I was hoping to get windflower, but oh well. Well, at least you got me. I'm tiger. I like cats. I'm gonna put you. That's adorable. Best friends. So next, I kind of see through this. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna open this. I'm excited to open Little's Pet Shop because this is a Little's Pet Shop channel after all. Be back. So I opened it up and I found this cutie. So cute. And you are number. You're not on here. But one that looks like you is number 3979. So I will call you. Your name is Lilith because Minecraft Diaries. Bruh. You gotta watch that show. Gotta watch that YouTube series. Bro, that's amazing amazing YouTube series. Oh wait, here you are. You were number 3992. Your name's still Lilith to me. But you're adorable. Now the last thing before I open that big wolf thing. Ponies. Yeah. So I'm gonna be back and this is gonna be open. So I opened it up and look what I got. I got sweet cream scoop. Sweet cream scoops. She's a pony. And it says loves to sing. That's not a sentence. But her cutie mark is a tiny ice cream cone. Look at it. Little pinkish ice cream cone. So, oh, look at her hair. This is like a toilet. This is like the old Twilight Sparkle mold. And now they have like a special mold for her because she's like an alicorn. So now, in the final glory, well, it's Brandon. Be quiet. It's a wolf. I make a very good. Oh, my dog just came over here. That was me making a wolf sound. Not. I don't have editing on this thing, so. Let me just. Oh, and all the things that we've gotten so far out of. This goes with extras. Look at you get. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Lawrence. Go away. I don't wanna. Where did I put myself? Where am I? Where's my Littlest Pet Shop? I don't know. Where'd I put? Oh. Boom. I just fell over. Well, after this, I'm gonna come back, and that wolf named Joshua is gonna be open. Okay, so that took me forever. And thank my mom for helping. Cute little cookie.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Thank you. Look at this beautiful. This is a beautiful book.
Yeah.
You didn't open it.
Huh?
You didn't open it.
I was the one who gave you those giant scissors.
Yeah, but they didn't work.
It's okay.
Here's. You know what? I'm keeping these scissors because you always hog scissors. So.
You're not keeping my kitchen safe.
I know. I'm keeping these safety scissors that my thumb is stuck in. Okay. So here's all the stuff that I got. Wolf.